I believe that the chief security officer of the state should truly be the chief security officer of the state. So we need state police. That's why I was very happy with that Montego when it was created. I believe that states need a lot more independence to manage their waterways, be able to build their capacity, be able to generate power, and all those things that are the exclusive list that need to come off the exclusive list so that states can do a lot of that. That is what I believe. Where I completely differ is this concept of going back to regional government. I do not believe in that. Democracy is something that should be as close to people as possible. Now, I want you to hold my governor. I want you to hold my local government chairman responsible for my reality. I don't want a situation where I have to depend on somebody that's sitting somewhere in the dialogue to determine the policy that's going to happen in Lagos. I think we've gone past that. And it's very unfortunate that today, a lot of people at the helm of affairs are always looking back. Yes, you can look back, but also, it's like there's a bird, it's called the Sankofa bird. It looks back, but it's also moving forward. It's like President Bola Ahmed Tinubu coming and restoring, changing our national anthem back to the ones of old, written by an Oyibo person. When there are so many songs that you could have adopted to move forward, take us forward. So we have state governments now, we have even up to LCDs. Let us strengthen those ones. Let them use their comparative advantage. Let us have governors that are looking for how they can create value. Right? Let us create a structure that moves forward. And then we can now start looking at formalizing rotational government so that every group of people feel that they are going to be represented. And that will reduce the tension in our politics.